I am Stella Madiyalagan, presenting information about Defense Ministry. What's the importance of Defense Ministry at present days? The Defense Ministry on 4th June 2020 cleared a mega project to domestically build 6 conventional submarines for the Indian Navy at a cost of rupees 43,000 crore in a major decision aimed at significantly boosting the country's naval prowess in the face of China rapidly expanding its marine capabilities. The Defense Acquisition Council, that is DAC, approved the issuance of the request for proposal, that is RFP, or the formal tender for the project, which will be the first such procurement under the strategic partnership model that allows domestic firms to collaborate with foreign players to produce high-end military platforms in India. The DAC, chaired by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, also approved proposals relating to acquisitions of various military weapons, including air defense guns and ammunition for the Indian Army at a cost of around rupees 6,800 crore. The formal clearance to the mega submarine program called Project 75 India came 2 decades after it was mooted, and it may take at least 10 years for the first submarine to roll out after the deal is sealed. They said the DAC approved the issuance of RFP to leading shipbuilding L&T and state-owned Mazazudak Limited, that is MDL, soon. The L&T and MDL were selected following a long-drawn process. Both will have to respond to the RFP by typing up with one of the 5 already shortlisted foreign shipyards: Rosoboronets Port in Russia, Daewoo, South Korea, ThyssenKrupp Marine System, that is in Germany, Navantia in Spain, Naval Group in France. The project envisages indigenous construction of 6 conventional submarines equipped with the state-of-the-art air-independent propulsion system at an estimated cost of rupees 43,000 crore, the Defense Ministry said about the naval project. This is a landmark approval, being the first case proceed under the strategic partnership model. This would be one of the largest Make in India projects and will serve to facilitate faster and more significant absorptions of technology and create a tiered industrial ecosystem for submarine construction in India. Further, the ministry stated that the project will help reduce current dependence on imports and gradually ensure greater self-reliance and dependability of supplies from indigenous sources. Subsequently, INA gave rest to INA Santiago type of ship after the service of 40 years on 4th June. Instead of 1 submarine, now the Indian government sanctioned to build 6 submarines under the scheme of Make in India project. Jai Hind.